Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to tighten the emergency brake on a Jeep Wrangler TJ. First, park safely and chock the wheels so the vehicle cannot move. Remove the center console cover to expose the cable and adjuster nut, and keep a flashlight handy for visibility. I will guide you step by step through inspection, cable tensioning, and testing, using common tools to restore a firm handbrake feel quickly and confidently. Start by visually inspecting the cable from the lever to the rear brakes, looking for rust, frays, or loose clips that affect performance. Open the rear drums or access the rear caliper mechanism to ensure shoes or pads engage properly and springs are intact. Confirm both sides move evenly when the lever is pulled to avoid a pull to one side, and replace any damaged parts before attempting final adjustment. With the console open, loosen the lock nut at the adjuster and make small clockwise turns to increase cable tension, checking lever travel after each turn. Aim for about 2 to 3 clicks of the lever before resistance, which indicates a snug but not over-tightened brake. Test by putting the vehicle in gear on a safe slope with the handbrake engaged, and recheck both rear brakes for equal engagement and smooth release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.